Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. 10th Standard Social Science Top 50 5-mark important questions for your public examination, my dear children. It contains history, geography, civics and economics. In the கேள்விகள் மட்டும் படித்தால் போதும் for public exam, my dear children. Let us go to the video. 10th Standard Study Plan. முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. I always say that முயற்சியும் பயிற்சி இருந்தால் you will be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. So, unless you have a முயற்சி and பயிற்சி, you will not be able to get வெற்றி, my dear children. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வையும் எழுதணும். Make it a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life, my dear children. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. You are going to write a public examination, so that is your deciding path. So please make note of that and read accordingly, my dear children. Let's go to the questions now. So top 50 important questions for social science, 5-mark questions. இந்த கேள்வி மட்டும் நீங்க படிச்சாலே போதும் உங்களுக்கு பரீட்சைக்கு. So வேற எந்த கேள்வி நீங்க படிக்க வேண்டியதில்லை. So first question, highlight the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. So இது வந்து ஒரு முக்கியமான question. Then goes to discuss the circumstances that led to the reform movement of the 19th century. And also the third one is what is black money? Write the causes of black money. Fourth one, discuss the causes of the revolt of 1857 in detail. And then the fifth one is estimate Periyar Ivera's decisive contribution to the social transformation of Tamil Nadu. So these are the 5 questions that is there for 5 marks, and let us go to the next 5 slot. What are the powers and functions of Chief Minister? Chief Minister power or function enna? Then write a detailed note on non-aligned movement. Then 8th one is describe the forests of India. India forests la enna? Describe the major challenge of India industries. Next 10th, elucidate why the Green Revolution was born. So these are the next 5 questions. Next, what are the important characteristics of successful industrialists? Cluster. The industrial cluster or a group of thing will be there. Analyze the effect of World War. Effects of World War II. Account for the outbreak of Vellore revolt in 1806. Then what are the methods of calculating gross domestic product, that is GDP? So gross domestic product, and explain them. Describe the role of Tamil Nadu in the civil disobedience movement. So Tamil Nadu role in the civil disobedience movement. The question next one, write about southwest monsoon. Then state any 5 types of soil in India and explain the characteristics and distribution of soil. Classify and explain the roadways in India. So roadways oda details explain. Classify and explain the roadways in India. Next, explain the salient features of the Constitution of India. Next one, what are the duties and functions of Prime Minister of India? So this is number 20. So next one is question number 21. Elaborate on the public distribution system. Next, elaborate the reason for the growth of MNC. Then discuss the main causes of the First World War. What are the effects of World War II? What is urbanization? Explain its problems. Write an essay on the role played by the 19th century reformers towards the cause of women. Then goes to the next 5 slot, that is account for outbreak of Vellore revolt in 1806. discuss the response to Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu, explain the divisions of North Mountains and its importance to India, state any 5 types of soil in India and explain its characteristics and distribution. Explain plantations farming of Tamil Nadu. So, plantation farming in Tamil Nadu. Next one. Explain the salient features of constitution in India. Then describe the executive and judicial powers of the President of India. Explain various terms associated with measuring of national income. Explain any two direct and two indirect taxes பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. Then 35th question is discuss the main causes of First World War. So let us go to the next slide. That is 36th question is mention the differences between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Discuss the reasons behind the partition of India and what are the major issues faced by farmers in India and what are the powers and functions of the chief minister. That is 39th question. And 40th is write about the positive impact and negative impact of globalization. And the next one is discuss reasons behind the partition of India and what is black money. Write the causes of black money. What are the major issues faced by farmers in India? Then 44th, what are the powers and functions of the chief minister? And write about positive impact and negative impact of globalization. And the final last list is 46th question. Critically examine civil disobedience movement as typical example of Gandhian movement. Civil disobedience movement as an example of Gandhian movement. Then goes to explain the divisions of Himalayas and its importance to India. So divisions of Himalayas இருந்து அதோட importance பத்தி எழுத சொல்றாங்க. Then goes to explain the salient features of the Constitution of India. Explain the salient features of Constitution of India. Then goes to explain any two basic concepts followed by India to maintain friendly relations with its neighbor. ஏதாவது ரெண்டு கான்செப்ட் இந்தியா வந்து ரெண்டு மெயின்லி மெயின்டைன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வித் த நெய்பர்ஸ் ரெண்டு கான்செப்ட்ஸ் சொல்றாங்க. Then the final one is 50th is discuss determinants of India's foreign policy. So with this I hope உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். நீங்கள் இந்த 50 questions மட்டும் படித்தால் போதும் உங்களுடைய பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமுக்கு. So that will be beneficially to you to get the required the marks which is there for your public examination for 5 marks, my dear children. So I once again repeat, இந்த 50 கொஷினையும் நீங்கள் படித்தா definitely you will be able to score the required marks for 5 marks. As I told you, எங்களோட வீடியோவில் உங்களுக்கு 1 mark question, distinguish, give reasons, timeline, map, 2 mark important question, then comes to the final 5 marks. Maps என்னென்ன maps இருக்குன்றதும் இருக்கு. So everything is solved in our video. You just go through it and you will be able to get a set of packages will be there in the video. So you can go through my Trimala Max YouTube channel and get benefit of that. So with this, I hope in the video உங்களுக்கு very useful இருந்திருக்கும். I wish you all success in your public examination, and wish you all success in your exams. Keep subscribe to our Max YouTube channel for more exam updates. Thank you so much, my dear children. Bye.